Do you get sugar cravings while on keto, but you're kind of sick of all of your keto-friendly treats? Well, I've got something different for you that I think you're gonna like. Let's go. The first thing you need to do is whip your cream cheese. This will get it nice and fluffy. Now, to make this super easy on you, make sure that your cream cheese is completely room temperature. If it's too cold, it will be a lot harder to get it really fluffy. Now that your cream cheese is nice and fluffy, it's time to add in your cream. Now we're gonna whip it all together again so the cream combines with the cream cheese. I have melted my chocolate and let it sat for a little bit just so it's slightly above room temperature. And now I'm going to pour it into my mixer and combine all of the cream cheese, the cream, and the chocolate. Now that that's done, I'm going to add in my Dutch processed cocoa powder because I like it a little more chocolatey, but I'm going to sift it because I don't like any little clumps of cocoa powder that might stay intact while this is all mixing through. That's happened to me before and it doesn't really taste as good as it sounds. No. It's all looking really good and chocolatey, so now I'm going to add in my sweetener. Today I'm using the powdered monk fruit sweetener from Coco. You can use whatever sweetener you like though. So go ahead and add that into your bowl and then give it a good mix through. Now that we have our mix, it's time to throw it in the refrigerator for at least an hour. And I'm so sorry, I know you're gonna have to wait, but I promise it is worth it. Maybe in the meantime, you could comment on this video and let me know what your favorite treat is, and maybe I can make a keto-friendly version of it, so let me know. All right, now it's time to take that out of the refrigerator and we're going to form little ball shapes out of our mix. Next, we're gonna finish them off with some dusted cocoa powder, or if you don't wanna use cocoa powder, you could use some coconut, maybe some crushed nuts, or even leave them plain. It's totally your choice. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this recipe. Please remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and have a nice day. See you later.